Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can blend two videos using mask in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to stock materials here, and you can use any videos that you'd like, of course. And for instance, I want to blend this video with this video. I can just click this, there we go. I'm just going to try to place it like on top of each other like this. Let's bring this down a little bit. So on this one, I'm going to select mask and I'll select the horizontal one. I'm going to bring that line down and I'm just going to use this to feather it out and to blend it a little bit more. And if you'd like to, you can even go to the adjustments tab and make it so it looks more like the video at the bottom. Just going to adjust the exposure a little bit and making it a little bit more blue like the video. And that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.